Happy holidays, everyone, and this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Ho, ho, ho! We hope you have a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and a Happy New Year. And for today, in this video, you will see us making a Peppermint Mocha. Simple beverage, but easy to make at your home or office party, and enjoy. Let's get started. Our first step will be to make some espresso. So we'll be right back with pre-ground or freshly ground espresso coffee in this basket. So we have our freshly ground coffee. Again, you can use pre-ground coffee. Put in a portafilter. We'll get that tamped. Nice tamp. We'll get this into the espresso machine. You will need a steaming pitcher with milk, a nice drinking cup, a tamper as we used before, and some cocoa mix. And while the espresso is pouring, we'll get the cocoa mix. And they always make it very, very difficult for me here at First Line. Instead of using a can, with a spoon, we'll get the cocoa mix in the milk here. And you can use water. Mix that in. We'll stop our shot right there. Get a little more cocoa mix in here. And as you can see, I'm a messy Marvin. Bleed the steam wand. Steam some milk here with the cocoa mix. Again, you can use water, but I do prefer milk. Get our espresso shots. Get some nice hot chocolate going. And mostly steamed milk, not too much froth. Pour that into the cup. Got our trusty candy cane here. This one's a little easier to open. Staff here at First Line likes to play tricks on me. Broken candy cane in the cup. And if you have a peppermint candy cane, it's peppermint. If not, Candy Cane Moca. Let me try this. Absolutely delicious. Well, thank you for watching. Once again, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year from First Line. We appreciate you watching this video. We appreciate your business this past year in 2019. Please give us a thumbs up down below. If you can, please subscribe. Any questions, comments, please ask them below. Once again, thank you and Happy Holidays.